So there are 2 ingredients that can help ladies going through any stage, any phase in life, and also benefit men: cilantro and ginger. Juice them to help prevent nausea, vomiting, gestational diabetes, menstrual pain, digestion, stretch marks, wrinkles, postpartum hemorrhage, hair loss, balance hormones, lower anxiety. These 2 simple ingredients, cilantro and ginger, it's filled with chlorophyll. It can help with anemia. It may ward off cancer, heart disease, bad cholesterol, boost immunity, fight infection, inhibit blood clots, promote weight loss, detox heavy metals. It's high in antioxidants. It can detox your liver, your kidneys. It's loaded with nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds. It removes mercury, lead, aluminum. It eliminates certain bacteria. It can prevent urinary tract infections and protect you against food poisoning. You can get the Dark Womb Redemption series. Learn more about how to heal your womb, take care of your body during pregnancy, childbirth, postpartum. There's even information in these books about increasing fertility, getting rid of fibroids, PCOS, endometriosis. You can also book a consultation. Go to craftswoman.com.